Today is supposed to be one of the best days of the route with a wonderful roads, but look what I have. All the rain gear on and wish me luck. What a lovely day! We are in Saint Patrick's Purgatory. Well, that is Saint Patrick Purgatory, but I don't think I'm going because the weather is absolutely miserable. I am getting very wet. I don't know what to do. What a beautiful day! What a beautiful day! Well, let's keep going before I get completely wet and see if I can get somewhere with a shelter or something like that. Well, this is Ireland, take it or leave it. Now, it's been so good to me for the last 8 days, and this was expected, but look at it. I can't even see myself. Look at the poor bike. Look at the poor bike. Good morning. Well, we have sleep in Crossmila. We have a great breakfast and we are ready to go to recover properly, because yesterday was a very tough day under the rain for more than 4 hours. So when I got over here, I was completely exhausted. So today let's find out a little bit more about the Wild Atlantic Way. So come with me. Well, we are leaving the B&B now and we are going to the, as usual, to the coast road to see the landscape over there. On the first sign of raining, I was so scared from yesterday that I was putting on all my rain gear, and now I think it's too much. Well, it's better safe than sorry. From all those bikes, I think mine is the best. Hello. Wow. The cliffs. What a place. So peaceful. So beautiful. Killala! Nice name. Here we are again. Look at this coast. It's very beautiful. Let's stop the bloody GPS. I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. Is that an island? Yes, it is an island. I love these places. Just my type. Look at the water. Light green, close to turquoise. We are leaving Killala now and we are going to Ross Beach, which is only 4 kilometers away. Hello there, how's it going?
How much did you get?
I don't know. 24.58. 24.58. 24.58. 24 euros, 58 cents.
That's perfect.
Thank you very much. Bye bye now. Let's see. It took me a while to find the way to this beach, but I think it's gonna worth it. Blue flag. I like it. Beautiful beach, Ross Beach, and we are going to keep exploring this Mayo County, which is gorgeous.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, press the like, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.